I'm Sylvia, and this is Olivia, and today we are going to show you how to make some really easy, fun unicorn cookies. In the last video, I showed you how to make the sugar cookies. Today, I'm going to show you how to decorate them. So for this project, I have made these sketches of the unicorns, which we use to cut out our cookies. And if you want to copy the same ones, you can find them in the description. The link is in the description below. So I have a circular cookie cutter that's the same size. We have some powdered sugar, an X-Acto blade, a brush, and some tiny little flower cookie cutters. And that's it. We need a rolling pin, and we're ready to roll. All right, Olivia, let's do this. So we're gonna start with the easier cookies, which are the circular ones, or these. Those are a little bit harder, but
I like these.
I know, you chose those, but we're gonna start with the easier ones, and then we're gonna do the harder ones, okay? And we're gonna start with the white fondant. We're gonna roll out our white fondant, and I'm going to use my cookie cutter to cut out the circles. If you don't have a cookie cutter, you can use your cutout. I cut this out from the page that I printed, and you can use it to cut around. And that's it. So we're gonna start with the white part. The powdered sugar goes underneath on the table so that our fondant doesn't stick. And what do we do first? Knead it. Now you can roll it. All right, ready? Beautiful. Okay. For this part, I'm using a little liquor. You can choose to use water or simple syrup, which is just water and sugar, or a liquor of your choice. It will evaporate really fast. So I'm going to brush. I'm going to paint the back of my circle. Yeah.
Paint?
Mm-hmm.
I love painting.
Beautiful.
It's not the exact size of the cookie.
It is not.
It's a little smaller because you can see the edge of the cookie.
All right, I have this fondant smoother. You don't need it, but if you have one, it's okay. Now, with the leftover part, we're going to cut out ears and a horn. All right, very carefully hold your knife. Okay, very carefully. We're going. You may.
Yay.
We're going to use our cutout, and then we're going to cut the ears out. See? So that they come out the same size. Now we are going to cut some flowers and a horn. Yes?
A horn first.
Okay. What color?
Glittery.
Glittery, what color?
Golden.
Yes, it does. Did you put glue under it?
No. But don't we need to dip it in glitter first?
No.
But I want it to be glittery.
Okay, but that will be after.
Do we paint it with glitter?
Yes.
Oh. I wanted to dip it in glitter.
We are going to use a little bit of this pink to make the inside of the ears. Cute. Okay, now flowers.
The first color is purple.
I'm gonna use the pink since it's already cut out.
Okay, fine. That's what this thingy's for.
That's it. I'm doing now is that I'm rolling teeny tiny little balls out of the blue, and I'm going to use that for the centers.
This is good. I think it's good for one of the small ones.
Yes, that actually looks really cute.
Ta-da.
Cute. Okay.
Now can I use the black?
I have a little bit of gold glitter. It's edible gold glitter. It's really fun. You can find it at cake stores, cake supply stores. If you don't have it, you can just choose to make your horn a different color, like maybe yellow.
Or gold without sparkles.
Or gold without sparkles. Okay. And now we need ice. So, Olivia, we have a choice. I have a black marker, which you could use, or we can use fondant for the ice. What would you rather do?
Black marker.
Black marker it is. Olivia's just gonna paint some ice on. Olivia, you can also use this, there you go, to guide you. So this is it. These are the easy unicorn sugar cookies. I hope you guys had fun. This was definitely a lot of fun for us, wasn't it? Give it a try. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make the other unicorn sugar cookies, which are slightly a little bit more challenging, but still pretty simple for you guys to try out. So I hope you guys like it. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next unicorn cookies.